Okay, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All right, welcome back to the Business English class. Yeah, how are you today? I hope you're still fine. You're still in a very good condition. All right. After you do the interview with the business owner several times ago, several weeks ago, and you also have done your written report, yeah, it's now your time to do your oral presentation or oral report. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the question is almost the same. Yeah, the question is almost the same as what we did in the written report. But in the oral report, yeah, it's your chance to explore more about your capability, especially in speaking. All right, let me tell you several things related to the oral report. Yeah, let me share the screen. Okay, we'll see. Wait, please. Yeah, okay, can you see this? All right. Now take a look at this, everyone. Mhm. All right. I really hope everyone can see this. Yeah, can watch this very clearly. I will also show this in the e-learning. Yeah. Now take a look at this. You have to pay attention on the way you give the presentation. All right. First, when you give your written report, ya, kemarin kalian ngasih laporan secara tertulis. Di laporan secara tertulis itu menurut saya kurang detail ya, teman-teman. But it's okay karena itu laporan kalian, ya saya terima aja. Now, please take a look at these questions. Yeah, take a look at this question. So, you start, you start the question. You start your presentation by telling your name, telling your purpose, just like when you were doing public speaking in the last semester. Okay, just like when you were doing public speaking in the last semester. So you can also introduce yourself ya. So for example, look at these questions ya. Semua nanti pakai pertanyaan seperti ini. Oke, tapi boleh kalian tambahkan PowerPoint. Nah, but you have to make sure that we still can see your face like this. Saya share PowerPoint, tapi you can still see my face. Oke, masih tampil wajahnya. Nah, now take a look. Misalnya sebelum bahas nomor satu, ya, sebelum menjelaskan nomor satu, presentasinya sedikit aja, cuma 3-4 menit, nggak usah lama-lama ya. And then you can start with say hi, ya. Say hi, assalamualaikum. My name is Dian. Okay. In this very good chance, I would like to share to you about a business that I met recently. For example, ini contoh aja ya teman-teman ya. You know, business nowadays grow up very easy, especially in this pandemic era. Everybody, when they just say kick out from the company, they started to open their own business. For example, how small the business is, it's you become the owner. Nah, gitu ya. Misalnya seperti itu teman-teman. And then you can tell the audience, tell us about the type of the business. What is the business type? Nah, nanti jangan langsung memberi pertanyaan, what is the business type? Well, the type of the business is bla bla bla, trading, food, culinary, jangan. Tapi kasih apa ya? Kasih yang seperti kita lakukan di public speaking kemarin, teman-teman. Misalnya, there are so many types of business in Sidoarjo. Sidoarjo is well known as the small and medium enterprise. Nah, misalnya kayak gitu ya. Sidoarjo dikenal dengan kota UMKM yang terbesar di Indonesia, misalnya seperti itu. Nah, sekarang ya, several days ago, I met the owner of the business, ya, the owner of apa misalnya, the owner of famous culinary in Sidoarjo, misalnya, ya. Nah, type-nya seperti apa? Nah, jadi kalian seperti bercerita, bukan seperti menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang ada di sini, gitu ya. Kalau yang di written report yang saya baca beberapa, itu yang beberapa yang sudah masuk ya, itu kalian masih seperti menjawab pertanyaan aja, padahal harusnya kan telling gitu, bercerita, bukan menjawab pertanyaan. Paham ya teman-teman ya? Nah, Terus ceritakan juga what is the name of the business. Kalian nggak harus mengulang pertanyaan ini ketika presentasi lisan. Ya, you don't have to repeat this. Tapi langsung aja dijawab. Misalnya kayak tadi, I met the famous culinary business in Sidoarjo. The name is apa misalnya? It sells, langsung begitu aja teman-teman ya. Dan seterusnya dan seterusnya. Okay, now special for number 7. Now special for number 7, I also give you in the written report, right? Special for number 7, what can you suggest to make the business grow up more easily? Nah, ini you pretend yourself as the consultant. Yeah, you pretend yourself as the consultant of the business itself, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Kira-kira saran apa sih ya? What can you suggest to make the business grow faster atau grow easily? Misalkan sekarang sedang ada kendala-kendala apa di situ? Ya, proses ini diceritakan. Yang number 5 ini diceritakan kendala-kendalanya, prosesnya bagaimana. Nah, yang number 7 ini diceritakan, kamu bercerita, kamu sendiri, ide kalian sendiri. Idenya kalian apa? Kira-kira untuk membantu si owner ini untuk bisnisnya lebih grow up gitu ya, entah pemasarannya di model apa. Sekarang mungkin zamannya Instagram atau zamannya TikTok, kalian bisa pemasaran lewat mana, misalkan seperti itu ya teman-teman ya. Alright, now to make your presentation excellent ya, kalian boleh pakai media apa saja, boleh PowerPoint, boleh Prezi, boleh apa saja. You can also make video animation juga nggak apa-apa, tapi kalau video animation jangan lama-lama. Nah, ini ditampilkan jadi satu dengan video yang kalian tampilkan ini, yang kalian tayangkan. Nah, just like what I did, ya kayak gini teman-teman, saya nggak perlu editing. I don't recommend you to edit, tapi kalau kalian mau edit, boleh. Silakan edit, tapi saya nggak menyarankan karena editing needs time. Nah, kalau saya nggak pakai ngedit, ya sudah, makanya ini saya persiapkan pertanyaan seperti ini, terus saya kasih tahu caranya gitu ya. Nah, kalau kalian suka ngedit, if you have much time, you like editing video, it's okay for me. Alright? Nah, nanti misalkan, mem, hasil karya saya lebih dari 4 menit, that's okay. Yang penting nggak kurang dari 3 menit. Kalau kurang dari 3 menit itu mau ngomong apa, nggak ada yang diceritakan. Oke? Okay? Alright. Nah, so in this meeting, in meeting 5 ya, nanti you upload your video on YouTube and you just share the URL link ya in the task down here. Nanti tugas-tugasnya ini, link yang kalian kirimkan ini akan saya evaluasi, kita evaluasi bersama-sama di pertemuan-pertemuan berikutnya. So next meeting, you're going to evaluate your friend's performance. Ya. You can also give comments, suggestions to what kind of business that they face, gitu ya teman-teman ya. Nah, itu nanti detailnya bagaimana, I will tell you later in the next meeting. Alright, so okay, see you at e-learning and good luck with your job. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.